Hello, Kraken family. Just to give you a little bit of an update, a couple of things going on. The shop's pretty empty. It's not because we don't have anything working, it's because we're actually finishing things. The Evo's on the dyno, Alicia's Evo's on the dyno, getting break-in done. So it will be ready for Fuel Fest, which is on the 20th. So do not forget, come and see us at Fuel Fest. We'll be out there hanging with Liv and Molly. We'll be at the Taste of Tokyo. We'll have the whole show team out there. It's going to be awesome. The RATAROO, some interesting updates on the RATAROO. We got the doors finished. Oh,
they work.
Working doors. Yeah. So the doors on the everything on the driver's side of the car is done. We're still working on the passenger side. We got the fuel filler set in. We've got the rear fender kind of roughed in. We need to make the cut for the door, box that in, and then get the front fender done. And then a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks, this thing's off the paint up at Heritage Collision Center with Shiloh Bradford. We've got a couple of new sponsors that came on board, Drift HQ and AirTech. Drift HQ provided a front end for us and a drift lever. AirTech is doing a full air suspension on the car, so we'll do a full feature on both of those when we get ready to install them. Until then, enjoy this video of Jesse working his magic on the sheet metal. Peace, guys.